The queer underground scene is thriving in St. Louis. Despite the government trying to silence us, we will not stop expressing our voices through art. This year, I'm working on a film with artists from all over St. Louis, Missouri. Our goal is to capture the energy of our community while exploring a story of isolation in the current evolving landscape of the world. Regarding desensitization to violence and the growing reliance on AI, I'm really excited to be a part of representing the community by casting trans artists to play trans characters. But we won't just have queer actors. We have queer people all throughout this project working behind the scenes and on set. From special effects artists, art department, hair, makeup, and costumes, the gays are everywhere, and we're coming together to bring this story to life. If you're interested in learning more about the story, check our pinned video and consider supporting our crowdfunding campaign through our link tree. Let's make more queer art.